What's up, family? Daily stock lesson number 70. Now we learn how to spot real moves from fake moves, right? This is volume, the truth behind the move, right? Definition plain English. Volume equals the number of shares traded during a specific period, right? Volume can spike and volume can fall off. So you have to pay attention, right? Volume shows how much participation is behind each price move. Price tells you what happened. Volume tells you how strong it really is. Why this matters? A stock can move up on low volume and weak conviction, right? Low volume equals weak conviction. A move up on high volume equals strong demand, right? So you want high volume as it moves up. So we understand that that's institutional buying, big boys. Big money institution leaves footprints. These footprints show up in volume spikes, right? How investors actually use volume. Breakouts plus high volume equals strength. If price breaks resistance with heavy volume, institutions may be buying. Move is more likely to continue. Understand this. High volume equals strength. Breakouts. On breakouts. Like if it's approaching resistance and it's got high volume and it's probably going to break out. Institutions probably are buying. It's probably going to continue to move higher. Now breakouts and breakdowns, right? Breakouts plus low volume is a yellow stoplight, right? You have to hold and have confirmation, right? So breakouts plus low volume equals a warning sign, right? If price quietly breaks out, few buyers are involved, higher chance of reversal, right? So understand that. Selling on high volume. If price drops sharply with heavy volume, big players may be exiting. Sentiment may be shifting. Some common beginner mistakes to avoid. Ignoring volume completely. Never do this. Always pay attention to volume and what's going on at support and resistance, right? Buying breakouts without confirmation. Now, if you buy the breakout, your confirmation is high volume. Continue to rise, right? That's your confirmation. But if volume starts to fall off, that's a warning sign, remember, right? Panicking on low normal volume pullbacks, right? So low volume, stocks are going to pull back, right? Not all moves are equal. Pro tip, how pros think. Smart investors ask, is volume above average? Is this move supported by institutions? Is volume expanding in the direction of the trend? Strong trends show rise in price, rise in volume, right? Weak trends show rise in price, fall in volume, right? And then this is a red flag. You see rise in price and fall in volume, that's the warning sign. The yellow light is on, like, hold on, let's see. And it's probably going to hit that resistance and pull back, right? Understand that. Key takeaway, family. Volume confirms conviction. Price moves the chart. Volume validates the move, right? So, family, at this point, this is lesson 70. I've built a foundational series that you can go back and watch and you can really learn this game, right? It's all there. Psychology plus your mindset, how you need to operate every week, every month, what to pick, ETFs, which stocks, and then how to execute what all this stuff means, right? So follow, like, subscribe, and share. for daily wealth lessons. We're going to keep kicking it up a notch, family. We're going to take this to the next level. I love y'all. Peace.